iPECS 1 Chrome ad hoc conference call. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to do host an ad hoc conference call from iPECS 1. Start by hosting a normal phone call. For this demonstration, we will call Mark. Once you are on the call, you have the option to see the call's participants and to invite another member. Click the plus button and then search for the contact you would like to add to the conference call. Now click Invite. Tom has now accepted the call. To bring him into the conference, just click on the conference key again. Now we are all on a conference call together. From here, you can click to see all of the call's participants. When you are ready to end the call, just click the red telephone icon.